Let us reduce the following fractions to their lowest term. Solution. 1. We have 210 over 480. Bringing it to its lowest term, we will divide by a common factor, which is 2. So first dividing by 2. Remember, divide both numerator and denominator by the same factor. And it has to be a common factor. Now, 210 divided by 2 would give us 105 over. Now, 480 divided by 2 will give us 240. Now, there's still a common factor, which is 3 this time. 105 divided by 3, and then 240 divided by 3. Now let's see where this gets us. 105 divided by 3 will give us 35 over. Now 240 divided by 3 will give us 80. They still have a common factor of 5. So we continue further from there. This time 35 divided by 5 over 80 divided by 5. And 35 divided by 5 will give us 7. While 80 divided by 5 will give us 8. Now there is no factor that can divide it further. That means the fraction 210 over 480 is equivalent to 7 over 8. And that is this fraction in its lowest term. Now to the second question. We are to bring 75 over 150 to its lowest term. Now both have a common factor of 5. So we divide numerator and denominator by 5. Now dividing the numerator by 5, we will arrive at 15. And then the denominator divided by 5 will give us 30. Now let's divide this further. A common factor is also 5. So 15 divided by 5, and then 30 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 will give us 3. And then 30 divided by 5 will give us 6. There's still a common factor of 3. So we continue by going that way. 3 divided by 3 now. And then 6 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 will give us 1. And then 6 divided by 3 will give us 2. Which will be the lowest term for the fraction 75 over 150. Thank you.